Hello. So last tutorial we were able to set up our website directory. We had, remember, prepared also all of the text that we're going to include and our graphics. And so I'm going to show you how to create a new page. So go to create new HTML and click on that and you get a blank canvas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy some of the text I've prepared in my Word document, and I'm going to select that and I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to then paste it into my website. Now, to paste it, if you go to edit and then go to paste special, you can keep the formatting. Now, what you want to do is you want to select the third option, and so that you can retain bold and italic, and just unclick clean up the word paragraph spacing, and there you have it. You've got your text in there and the formatting. Now, this isn't a particularly interesting page, so hold on, but let's just save the work first. So you go to your website directory, into your website where you'll save all your pages, and you name it index and click on save. And if you have a look, notice it just appeared there in your website structure. Now let's add some connectivity, but just to check that it works, you can preview it in a browser, and here it is, and this is what it will look like in this case Chrome. So let's get rid of that. So what can you do? I mean, as I said, it's fairly static, fairly mundane. So let's add some some interactivity. First of all, I'm going to show you how to create a link to another site. So here I've highlighted BBC Bite Size, and what you do is you just go to the website that you want to link to, and here's the Bite Size web page. Copy the URL. Let's get rid of that, and then in your properties bar at the bottom, see where it says link? Paste your link into there, the URL, and then on target, if you select blank, when you click on that link, or when the user clicks on that link, it will open up a brand new browser window. So it won't replace, if you like, your window. So click on save, and let's preview it. So go to preview in browser, and let's use Internet Explorer first, and there you can see it. Now if I click on that link, hopefully in a new window the website will appear, and you can see that your web page is still there. So there you are, and that is how you link to an external source. So let's close those. Now let's create a link to an email address. So I'm going to highlight here where my email address is going to, or the link is going to appear. Now click on the top where you've got common tools, and see this, the second icon, email link. Select that, and you have a pop-up window. Now let me just put in my email, Mike Pearson at paradigm. Ooh. Okay, org. And then, so that's the text that's going to appear, but then you put in the actual email. Here we go. So the page knows what email address you are sending to. And if I want, I can see where it says text here. Let's get rid of that, and I'll make it a little bit more informal. I'm just going to stick in my name. So even though the text appears, there you are, Mike Pearson, underneath that, the browser will know that if it is selected, and then it will actually go off to that actual email address. So let's save this. Okay, let's test it out. So go to File, Preview in Browser. Let's use it, Internet Explorer. Now click on it, and it will come up with your default email program. I won't bother going through it, but take it from me, it works. Okay, so let's save that. I'll get rid of this page first. Last thing you need to do is really add a title to your page, and now make sure you give it a relevant name. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to call it hardware hardware. Oh, brain freeze. There, hardware home. Make sure you save your work. File, save, and you can see that it's all there. And voila, you're done. Email address and links to external websites.